The setting takes place in Flanders Field, where Canadian family visits the grave of the husband and father of two young girls. When the First World War, the Great War, began in August 1914, no one knew that millions of young men and women would die before the conflict ended in 1918. No one knew that villages would be erased from the map or the entire nations would be changed forever. In fact, people thought that the war would be over before Christmas. The Great War was unlike any other in history. It was a new and horrible artillery battle, fought from rat-infested, water-filled trenches dug deep into foreign soil. The only noble thing about it was the dedication of the million people who fought for what they believed in. The bloody war consisted mainly of trench warfare that lasted 4 long years. This war was fought between the Allied and the Axis soldier.